Welcome back to the world of steel and power. Today, you'll witness heavy machines pushed to the edge, caught on camera just moments before disaster strikes. When steel meets mud, rock, and brutal terrain, what happens next? Watch as raw strength and skill are tested to the limit with beasts like the Caterpillar D7 and the legendary Soviet Kamaz 5511, a workhorse from decades past still holding its ground today. At a construction site, a crane was trying to lower a loader into a pit to clear the remaining foundation. But in a split second of imbalance, both the crane and the loader plunged straight down. Fortunately, no one was injured, but the workers on site were left shaken.
Заденет он сейчас.
The accident happened during the transport of a 400-ton Macquiness de Grua house. Damage has already been done. What's your take on this incident? Share your thoughts in the comments below. A heart-stopping moment. A Caterpillar suddenly plunges down a steep mountainside, but then the miracle driver's safe, machine unscathed. 3 steel warriors joined forces to pull it back, showcasing the power, durability, and unmatched teamwork of the heavy machinery world. Machines like the Cat 50E are more than steel, and engines they are symbols of strength, resilience, and absolute reliability. At a construction site near Man Tin Reservoir, China, a cable snapped while lifting an excavator over a deep shaft, sending the machine plunging dozens of meters. Luckily, no one was injured, but it's a costly lesson in carelessness and lack of skill. At Subic Port in the Philippines, a major accident occurred when a crane unloading a truck from the MV Zambales suddenly snapped its cable. The truck plunged onto the dock, causing severe damage to cargo and equipment. Fortunately, no injuries were reported, but the property loss was significant.
Go!
This driver unloaded heavy cargo on uneven ground, and the price he paid was well deserved for his carelessness and lack of experience.
Oh shit! Ah! A la madre.
This is a prime example of having someone in control but practically invisible. A massive oil tanker tips over just because of a poorly calculated pull, while our friend Enrique in the back, supposed to be the safety gatekeeper, stands like a statue. No signals, no warnings. When the trailer tilted nearly 3 feet off the ground, that was the moment to shout, "Stop!" But no, everything went on as if it were a free masterclass in carelessness. Funny, yet frightening oil is expensive, but skills are cheap. Carving a road up this steep mountainside is no joke. One wrong move and both the excavator and operator could tumble. This job demands nerves of steel, not for the faint-hearted. I'd bet his paycheck is no less than $5,000 a month.
No cae.
On the Huayco-Tingo Maria Road in Huánuco, heavy rain caused landslides that left a passenger bus tilting dangerously over a cliff. In that tense moment, rescue teams and locals rushed in to help. It's truly heartwarming to see such bravery and community spirit. Our deepest thanks to them. Landing on the edge, in the Arunachal Pradesh Mountains, this excavator clings to the cliff like a steel beast, with operator Paritosh Roy daring fate itself. One wrong move and it's a free fall. Do you have the nerves of steel to try this when the abyss is just one throttle away?
Bas 50 goal. Trời Libby.
Near Sanka village, disaster struck like a raging flood. On the afternoon of the 25th of January, 2024, a water reservoir in a gemstone mining site suddenly collapsed, unleashing mud, rocks, machinery, and claiming many lives. Once a reservoir of tack fat company, it's now a furious reminder that reckless exploitation always comes at a devastating cost. When the road maintenance company vanished, Nor-Yungas turned into a no-man's land. Drivers and passengers had to carve their own paths, gambling with their lives. This cell phone footage from the 17th of January, 2016, in Chala, en route to Karanavi, shows heavy trucks packed with goods and people still barreling through this lifeline. Where is the government when lives are hanging by a thread at every bend? These aren't just machines. They're steel giants ruling the mining battlefield. On one side, the Liebherr beast, its massive hydraulic arm tearing into the earth with every scoop. Facing it, the Hitachi warrior, a haul truck swallowing hundreds of tons in a single run. Together, they are the heartbeat of heavy industry, speed, raw power, and ruthless precision. One split second made all the difference. This excavator operator saved the entire site with lightning-fast reflexes. A move so sharp, a rookie driver wouldn't stand a chance. A dangerous job that most wouldn't dare to try. This excavator operator's skills are truly impressive. Stay safe, and don't try this yourself. The Oshkosh Head M1070 got stuck while hauling a Hitachi EX 455. Sometimes, the best option is to stage a self-rescue mission, and that's exactly what's happening here. A job that seems simple but is packed with lurking dangers. I truly admire bulldozer operators, steel warriors who pave the way for every project. They never know where they'll work tomorrow or what conditions await. Yet they face the toughest challenges head-on, without hesitation. This isn't just a dozer. The Komatsu D51EX is a steel beast with a wide-open view and over 130 horsepower. Watching it shove a boulder nearly its own size like it's just an egg is pure power on display. In Dane County, Wisconsin, snow never wins. Massive plows tear through the ice, clearing roads like warriors. This isn't routine work. It's a battle of steel against winter, and these crews lead the charge. Even better, they're going green with renewable natural gas-powered plows, powerful and eco-friendly. A heavy-duty Aguado mobile crane, built to lift hundreds of tons, faced a tough challenge on a steep curve at the Ronda job site. This multi-axle steel beast, usually handling massive loads with ease, was no match for the tricky terrain. Luckily, a group of workers stepped in to help, and the driver's warm gesture of gratitude turned a tense moment into one filled with humanity. Skills should be the top priority when choosing a driver and trusting them with your valuable assets to get the job done. The Kamaz 5511, an icon among Soviet trucks, once conquered the toughest work sites from 1977 to 1990. Powered by a V8 engine delivering around 210 horsepower, this old-timer still packs a punch, staying strong and fully operational in some regions today. Poor guy. Looks like the GPS sent him to places like this. From the failures of heavy tech equipment to the challenges at the job site, every ride tells a story of power, skill, and teamwork. This content is for entertainment and education only. Always keep a safe distance and never try to replicate it. What do you think about these steel warriors? If you're passionate about this, Hit like and subscribe so you won't miss any exciting videos. See you in the next one.
Valeu.